This is a Kawaha disc detainer lock. A relatively cheapo one on Amazon. And here's a rear tensioning pick. Okay, let's go through this. Disc 1, not much going on there. So we'll just leave that a little set forward. 2, 3, I feel, oh, and then I slipped off the rear. Okay, just 3 fills picked anyway. 4, felt good. 5, oh, that's wibbly wobbly. 6, stiff. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's go. Oops. 7. Okay. Oh, I think I miscounted somewhere in there. So let's come back. Back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh. And there we have an open. There it is. It'll take some finagling to get the pick out because the rear tensioning part of this pick is so thick. But comparing to that one that I picked the other day, well, these look similar, don't they? And then, of course, if we compare the keys, actually, now I don't even know which keys go to which, right? So, I think we can say with some confidence that these are the same manufacturer. There we go. That one. That one does not. So that must go to this Kawaha. But I didn't feel anything really special in there, so I have to assume that this one has the same stuff in it. Regular detainer lock. There's a plate in the back that you can tension off of. Thanks to a YouTube comment, is where I figured that out, or was informed of that. Yeah, just it looks like a 0 bitting, but in reality it's a sort of a blocking plate, so it doesn't move, but it's attached to the plug. So yeah, you can tension off of that and then just pick the discs at will, and that works out pretty well. Anyway, there's a Kawaha disc detainer lock, and apparently it's fraternal twin, the Mag Mouse, and there it is.